Joy,
What?
she's in labor. Are you excited? I just saw her have a contraction.
Mama, Mama, Mama.
We're gonna have a baby today. Okay, just a minute.
I'm coming.
Ready? We're heading to the barn. Back up. I'm really glad nobody is in the barn because that means I can shut that door. Come on, Mama. Be gentle but firm. Hey, you just wanting the love-ins? So we are going to sit and watch her for probably 20 minutes or so and just see what happens. How are you feeling right now?
Good. I'm just really itchy.
Oh. Okay, let's guess. How many babies is Moonbeam going to have?
One.
I think just one as well. I will be very surprised if there's two because she doesn't really even look pregnant. But you and I have felt those babies or baby kick, haven't we? Yeah, it's pretty special. She's just eating right through the contractions. Look at her back arch. Her tail was up. She is just so funny. She doesn't even seem to notice that she's having these contractions. What are you reading?
Just lots of a few different things that joyfully we can look at.
Yep, you're about to push some babies out. You're getting very close. Yep, the baby's coming. Just eating her way right through her contractions. Every now and then she'll pause in her chomping and then go right back to it. Okay, this is how a goat usually looks. Head to the wall. Focused. She likes that, Joy. She's so cute. She wants everyone's support and affection right now.
That's what she's getting.
It is what she's getting. It is really, really cold today. I feel like it's almost winter feeling in here.
How's it going?
Good.
What's going on?
She's getting close to pushing.
Okay. She doing okay?
Yeah.
You nervous because it's your first time?
Yeah, a little bit. How many babies do you think she's gonna have?
This one. I'd be shocked if she had two.
Me too. She's pushing. Alright, come on in. Shut that door. Be real quiet. Oh, good. You got this, Mama. Here we go. Here comes the baby. Yes, good job. Good job. I only see one hoof again, which is very concerning, like with Raven, so I'm probably gonna glove up and lube up and see what I can, see if I need to intervene. Alright, Mama. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. We have a little mouth. The other hoof's right there. Come on. This would be so much easier if you would stand up. Where's that other hoof? There's a mouth. Oh, where's that hoof? Alright, we're going in. Dang it. Wow, these malpresentations in my goats. Come on. Yeah, there it is. Oh no, that's not it. Okay. Okay. Let's get this baby out. Come on. Ready? Push. Got it. Push. I know. I know. I know. I know. Ready? Push. Come on, ready? Set. You got two hoofs. Good job. Good job. Here's your baby. Here's your baby. Good. Yeah. That's your baby. Okay. She did it with a little help.
She looks good though.
Yeah, it was a little. I had to pull the hoof forward again. It was like way back again.
Did you have to reach all the way?
Just up to like my mid arm.
That's all the way.
Come on, this is your baby. Yes, that's your baby. I had to go in again, which the second time it was the same exact problem as with Raven. So we'll see if she bonds. Otherwise I'll put molasses on the baby and hopefully she'll get super interested.
What do you think it's like to be born? Can you imagine? That baby just like, first time.
Yeah.
And now it's talking to its mama. It's never done that before.
I know.
But it
So
knows just what to do.
this is so funny, them going back and forth like that. Baby's sucking on her neck and she's licking the bucket. Why are you licking the bucket? Lick your baby. Our baby had a baby. Moonbeam, we got Moonbeam as a baby. She's grown up on our farm and now she's had her first baby. And it's a doeling. I can't believe that we have all doelings this year. That's kind of nuts. And now she's licking her and getting to know her. She's doing a good job. You just missed it by like a couple seconds. had to go get my main squeeze here, my partner in all things farm. We do a lot of farming together. What do you think about the baby goat? Learning to walk within minutes of birth. It's the sweetest thing. It's kind of a miracle. Four doelings. 4 doelings. All girls. Not that we would mind a boy, but it's on a farm, having girl babies is usually a huge blessing for a lot of reasons. They're the more productive as far as milk goes, animals, and then also they're a lot easier to sell than boys as far as like milk animals go. You can touch her. It's a girl. Take a good look at her and think of a name.
May.
Today, this is the month of May.
May.
May?
Yeah.
How about Maple?
May. Oh, it's chewing on me.
Yeah, it needs to nurse.
Why isn't it?
They're just trying to figure it out. We could help a little in a minute. Okay, it's time for our after birth care for the baby, for the kid. We will dip its cord in iodine, give it some selenium, keep an eye to make sure it nurses, and we'll also watch for mom to drop her placenta. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the only baby. She doesn't have showing any signs. It's been an hour. She's not really showing any signs that she's gonna have another one. See that beautiful baby? She's trying to figure out how to nurse. What do you think about baby goats?
So cute.
Do you like that we have baby goats born on our farm?
Yeah.
Do you think you'd be sad if we ever stopped?
Yeah.
Get it, girl. Find that teat. She's so close. She still hasn't gotten it in her mouth, but she's getting closer and getting it. You're so close. You can do it. Yes. Yes. Come on, you're so close. Yes. Score. That is really good. She's nursing perfectly. That is such a good sign when you see a baby nursing perfectly. Good job, little one.
Wait.
Well, guys, I always feel like I can take a break after I see the babies nurse, and baby's nursing, so we'll just keep an eye on them, and they'll stay in here for at least 24 hours, if not longer. We'll see. This has been the best day on the homestead. We love days like this where we have wonderful babies born. Healthy mamas, healthy babies. Oh. Yeah. Good job, sweet girl. Good job, mama. We will see you guys in the next video.